everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to fix menu bar in Excel. So let's get started. Begin by opening your Excel workbook. For some reason, maybe your menu bar is not showing. So here, all you have to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click on this arrow. Okay, now it should be back to normal. So that's how you can fix your menu bar in Excel. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.